Hello, today we are at the ART Tech Day and here we are trying to showcase the demo of tool tracking with multiple products. In this demo, we are trying to showcase our smart track combined with different products such as GWK torque wrench as well as the hand tracking, and in the software which is from Halle & Erne, which showcase us the whole workflow guidance software. You can create the workflow of each tightening position. In this demo, we have a smart rack at the top and then projector. The smart rack tracks the hand. It's a passive tag which can be tracked by a smart rack where you can see the movement of the hand. And by a projector, you can see where the worker should pick the parts of the motor block and then position it properly. Here it is our motor block, which you can see, which we'll be using for the demo, where you will just pick the tools from this bin and then put it on the screw positions. Here you have the verpose camera, which will detect if the screw positions are right or not. So you can see here at this screen you have unknown, which means there are no identified positions. The idea of this demo is the hand will be detected by the smart rack, the tool will be detected by the smart rack, verpose will detect if the screws placed by the worker are at the right position or not. So we will perform this demo. We will go to the basket 1 and then grab some spacers. So right now it is blinking by the projector. So these are some arrows which has been seen by here. I will perform this action. And as soon as I have performed this action, you can see on the screen P1 is completed, and now it showcases the worker guidance software that you have to go to the P2. And now we will go perform the same action. We will go to P2, grab some tools, and now the P2 is as well as completed. Now we have to place the P2 and the motor block, and now I will just place it. And as soon as I place it, you see on the verpose screen the V3 is shown. That means the screw is also detected by the verpose, which can identify if the screw is placed at the right position or not. Now we will use this torque wrench, which has a passive target on the top of it, which can be tracked by our smart rack tool, and it will give you the correct positions. There are possibility to create offsets. This can be directly integrated in our software. And now we will go on the same position to just tighten it, and it will be the tool will be enabled. So you might have heard the beep. The tool, as soon as you go on the right position, it shows 000. That means you are at the right position and the tool is enabled. Now you can tighten it. As soon as we tighten it, you can see the new torque on the display. And as soon as the 5 Newton meter is achieved, it will start beeping. And then you should go out of the position. And that's how you can see our MB part is done, and that can be seen in our worker guidance software. So this is the procedure. I am Mithilesh Moe from ART. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.